Hello, treasures. Let's make cabbage sauce for dinner. I'll start by cleaning and slicing the cabbage.
햇살이 너무 좋았어 그냥 모두 좋았어 널 만나서 모든 게 다 잠에서 깨어나서 휴대폰을 먼저 보게 돼 참 많이 변했다는가 세상에서 제일 행복한 순간 널 만나고 매일 겪게 돼 매일은 감사하죠 그대가 곁에 있어서 언제나 오늘 같길 기도해요 그대와 함께
Yeah, now we're done slicing the cabbage. Let's go make the sauce. In a dry pot, add some oil. Allow for about 40 to 60 seconds to heat up, then add in your sliced onions. I have some spring onions, so I added that. Fry for about 2 minutes or until soft. While the onions is frying, I seasoned it with about half a teaspoon of salt. I also have some sliced tomatoes, so I will go in with that.
좋은 기분인 걸 느껴 아주 작은 떨림도
Add some pepper to your taste. I'm using red and yellow Scotch bonnet pepper.
잠에서 깨어나면
Stir everything together and allow to fry for about 2 minutes.
오늘 날씨 먼저
Next, I season with a teaspoon of curry powder and 2 seasoning cubes.
우산을 챙겨야 할지 세상에서 제일 행복한 순간 널 만나 참 다행인 거야
Then I stir very well and taste for salt and pepper. You can add any other seasoning you wish to add, but I just want it simple. So I'm leaving it at just that.
매일은 감사하죠
After testing it, everything is okay. So we go in with the next ingredient, carrot. I have some sliced carrots here also. Don't forget we're making cabbage sauce, so we're still coming to that. I added the carrot and stir together again. Allow it to fry for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds before we now go in with our cabbage.
그대가 곁에 있어서 언제나 오늘 같길 기도해요 그대와 함께라는 건
Yeah, so it is now time to add in our main star of the dish, which is the cabbage, our sliced cabbage. So I'll add this, stir it, and in less than 2 minutes, our sauce is ready.
오는 순간 내게 마지막 사랑이란 믿음 항상 곁에 있을게 다가가서 말을 할 거야 널 사랑한다고 언제까지나
After stirring and mixing the cabbage very well into the sauce, I sprinkle in some spring onions, Stir again and put off the gas, and our cabbage sauce is ready. Feel free to add this meat, fish, or any protein of choice. I just wanted it plain like this. Maybe next time I can use egg or chicken or any other protein. Yeah. Wow, this is so yummy. This cabbage sauce is so delicious. The was given to me by my niece. Chidinma, thanks for this. It's really, really so delicious. I'll be making this often. In fact, all of you, everybody should try this. It's so yummy. And I'll be enjoying this with yam. So I'm going to cut the yam, peel off the yam, boil, and enjoy with this. You can enjoy this with any other food of your choice. You can use rice, you can enjoy it with plantain, you can enjoy it with just anything you love. You can also enjoy it with your bread. You can also add egg to it and fry it as a egg sauce. And here we have our cabbage sauce and boiled yam. This combo was very, very delicious. Hope you give it a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.